Welcome to week 14 and adult learning in the digital age. So, as we prepare for adult learning in the digital age, and we've got Oliver Berra and Lance Rowe and Chrissy Potter who are doing this for us, we still want to say thank you to Alicia Ramirez and Gabby Campa and Dustin Rasmussen for the brain and cognitive function. So we are involved right now in doing our second to the last knowledge check, chapters 7 through 9, and that closes tomorrow at 5 o'clock. That's and so yeah, the April 10th at 5 o'clock. And so we've got one more after this, and that is going to be, let's see, when are we going to be doing that? That's right at the end. That's going to be chapters 10, starting with this chapter right here, through 12. And that'll be our last week. We only have 3 more weeks. We've got this week and 2 weeks after that. So we're getting down there, aren't we? And this week we are also turning in our individual projects, and that will be much of the focus of what we're going to talk about this week, besides our learning about the digital age. We will be doing, for example, one of the options for our projects, individual project, was a digital resume, and some of you decided to do that. So in this time when we are learning online, we're doing a lot of self-directed learning online, and we can present ourselves as far as a resume instead of in a paper way, or instead of we can present it through a portal, or we can attach a DVD to our paper copy, which is certainly almost old school, or we can provide a link to a YouTube or other video that a prospective employer can look at as part of our portfolio. So notice how much more we can provide when we do that sort of a project. So very, very interesting to be able to do that kind of a presentation of oneself. I'm wondering when we will be able to do that in a hologram kind of a presentation. It will be very interesting, won't it? We live in interesting times. So as you go through the presentation this week, take a look at all the different ways in which our digital age influences our learning, and how much we are doing and how much we're changing in online learning. It used to be pretty much correspondence. You simply uploaded the same kinds of things you would present in a live classroom, and that just doesn't get it anymore. So we need to do a lot more. We need to be creative, and we need to really utilize the many different applications that are available for us to present the information. And some of you are really beginning to do that, and I'm really pleased with your projects. So this week, Chapter 10, Adult Learning in the Digital Age, and looking forward to your individual projects. See you in line.